Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks setup. Make sure your Roku runs OS 10, 0 or newer, and your iPhone or iPad uses iOS 14 or later. This enables AirPlay and HomeKit. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, either 2, 4 or 5 GHz, because AirPlay needs local discovery. Sign into your Apple ID on the iPhone and open the Home app so you can add accessories later. This speeds the pairing process. Now you enable AirPlay on the Roku itself. Navigate to Settings, then select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, toggle AirPlay to on. Choose a Require Code policy. First time reduces friction while every time adds security, because this controls who can stream. Rename the Roku if you want a clear label when selecting a device from Control Center. Once configured, test by opening Control Center on your Apple device and choosing Screen Mirroring. Select the Roku name to verify discovery. Finish by linking the Roku to HomeKit so you can control it with Siri and automations. Back in Roku settings, select HomeKit and follow the on-screen instruction to display an 8-digit HomeKit code. Then open the Home app, tap Add Accessory, and either scan that code or type it in. This registers the Roku as an accessory. If anything goes wrong, reboot both the Roku and your router, make sure both devices are on the same subnet, and try the pairing again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.